Hello babies, welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking with Mama. Today I'll be making pepper steak with onions and peppers over white rice. So let's get started. I washed the pepper steak and you know I'm gonna season it right now. I'm gonna use some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of seasoned salt. Okay, I have my pan here heating up. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in. And a little bit of butter. I'm going to throw this in there. It's hot. I'm going to brown this pepper steak in brown butter. You want the pan steaming hot. While that's browning, I'm gonna cut up my green peppers, my red peppers, and my onion. Okay. We're not gonna cut it too small because we want to have some bite to it. So we're gonna cut it fairly like a medium width. Just cut them. Cut it in half. Take the red pepper. Sorry about that. I use the red pepper because I just wanted to give it some color contrast instead of being, you know, brown, green, and white. That's why I use the red pepper, because I like the way it looks. And plus it's a pepper too, so you might as well just add a little color, make the dish look pretty. So that's what I did. And that's why I'm using the red pepper. And I use the whole onion because my family and I, we like onions. That's why I use the whole onion. I'm going to put a little fresh garlic in here. I like garlic, so while that's still cooking, I'm gonna make the sauce to go with my pepper steak. This is soy sauce. I don't know how much. I just put it. It's my last little bit, so I just put it in there in the measuring cup. Put a little, just a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of rice vinegar, just a tap. Put a little bit of sugar, and we make a slurry with some. Make a slurry with some flour, to thicken up the sauce. With cold water. Always use cold water when you make a slurry. I usually use cornstarch, but I don't have any more, so I'm using this. But it's gonna be okay. And I'll pour it in there. Stir it up. Gotta stir this. Just to make sure that the pepper steak is cooking. I know it's steaming, but I want to make sure that the meat is cooked. Now we're going to throw peppers in. It looks so pretty and it smells so good already. This is a simple meal to make, and it's fairly fast to make for your family. You could do this with chicken, pork, shrimp, beef. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna let these cook down a bit. Just keep stirring it, because you don't want to make the peppers too mushy and the onions too mushy. You want to cook down some. Add a little salt and pepper to this, a little bit more. Oh, I almost couldn't open the pepper. Stir it. Come on. And you let it cook until the peppers and the onions start getting just a little bit, but I like my onions and peppers to have a little crunch to it, so I figure you could just use your best judgment, but 5 minutes or so, they're about 4 to 5 minutes, because you want to keep it. Oh, I need to put a little browning in here, just a little bit. Make it a little darker. And pour it in. And it's going to thicken up. And even as you stir it, you'll see that it'll start thickening. So when it's thicker, it'll get thick really fast. So when it's thicker, I'll come back and show you the finished result of the pepper steak with onions over white rice. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back. And look how nice this turned out. So thickened up with the gravy. Looks so nice. So now I'm gonna plate it. I have my rice here. A nice rice. How nice that is. Sorry, when you got gravy stuff, they usually tend to get a little messy. It looks so nice. Let's clean that up a little bit. And here it is, pepper steak with onions and over white rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.